Hello, my name is Rachel Brown, and this is my fun schooling basket. May look a little messy, but it's very creative. And this is my art space, and that painting isn't very much done at all, so yeah.
So what are you doing today? Saturday?
I'm braiding and painting, and maybe gonna watch some movies and read.
All right. Do you mind if we look in your fun schooling basket to see what you have going on in there? I know you weren't planning for this, but
If you really, really want to. Here's my Biblia. In other words, Bible. Here's my journal that I personally made. If you want to take a little look in.
Ooh, that would be fun.
I just get pictures, and I have some pictures of my mother too.
Ooh, you have pictures of your mother?
Yeah, see, that's even you.
Ooh, that's me.
And there's more, but
and
there's
granddad.
my granddad.
And your great uncles.
Yeah, and I always make these journals. It's one of my favorite things.
Yeah, are those your
Those up there are my old journals.
Do you have a stash of toilet paper up there?
Probably.
Okay. So what else is in that fun schooling
just
basket there?
A creative book and a sketchbook and some poetry book that is pretty good, but okay. And then there's a bunch of newspapers and pictures, and this is one of my favorite fun schooling books.
Okay, the creativity journal.
But it is my favorite one. And it's
a
glue
lot of
gun
random-
and pictures and a bunch of other random
And so
creative
pretty
stuff.
much you use all this stuff to create your own journal. And,
Yeah.
And then most of your magic happens over here.
Exactly.
All right. And this is your bookshelf?
Mm-hmm. Great books there.
All right.
Rivers is the best.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing what creative stuff you're doing. What are you doing there?
I'm just reading a little one.
Did you like the movie?
Yeah.